The app we chose is My Storybook Maker and My Story School eBook Maker. These apps are catered to students in kindergarten through 5th grade.
The strategy we chose is digital storytelling. Using My Story app will allow students to strengthen their writing voice and their comprehension. Allowing the student to be creative and write their own story gives them the chance to strengthen their writing voice. Giving students the opportunity to retell or even write their own story gives them the ability to strengthen their comprehension skills.
So there are 2 versions of My Storybook Maker. There's My Story School eBook Maker, which costs $4.99. You have full access to the app, no extra downloads needed, the ability to export to the web, social media, third-party apps, and iBooks. There's also unlimited number of authors and books allowed on the app, which is perfect for a classroom setting. There's My Story Bookmaker, which is the free version of this app, and there's limited access to items in the app, such as stickers. There's ability to export your books to iBooks and YouTube, and also there is a limit of 1 author and only 2 books on the free version.
My Story app is available on iPhone and iPad.
We gave a few examples of how you can incorporate this app into your classroom. You can use it in centers, in a writing center, or practice storytelling skills.
You can use it for independent practice activities to assess students on their knowledge of the content by using a creative and fun tool.
You can use it with independent or group projects, such as having the students create an All About Me book at the beginning of the year, or using it as journal entries throughout the school year.
You can use this in guided reading groups to retell a story by creating their own version.
You can also do this using vocabulary notebooks. It's a creative and fun way for students to practice writing, visualizing, and reading vocabulary words.
There are so many more ways to use this in your classroom.
Here is an example of our book. Right here you can add the author and you can put a picture of the student. You can add the book and choose whichever color you want to use for the text or the cover of the book. Here's where you create your cover page.
You can use these stickers. In the free version, the only stickers available to you are the school category. When you pay the $4.99 for the other version, you get a multitude of other different categories.
The students are able to place the stickers wherever they choose, and you can add as many stickers to a page as you want. Here's where you can add text to the page. Again, you can choose whichever color font you would like.
Next up, you can add more pages. This next page we titled Page 1. And again, you just choose whichever color you want your text to be for that page.
And over here, there's different fonts you can choose. It's locked on the free version, but on the paid version, you can choose whichever font that you choose for the text.
If you have the emoji keyboard downloaded onto your technology device, your students can use emojis as stickers.
Again, here we're adding another page. We only did 2 pages for this example, labeling it page 2. On this icon over here, the blue with the pencil, your students are able to draw whatever they choose or write the text out using the pencil. We just chose to use the text on this example.
Again, your students are going to get to choose how they want to decorate this page. They can use stickers, or the little camera icon down here allows you to add your own photos, which is not available to you in the free version, but it is on the version that you pay $4.99 for.
And also, if your student accidentally makes a mistake, they're able to just push this red button here to delete that one object they put in the story.
Using the little red dot in the corner over here, your students allowed to narrate. And if they mess up, again, they can just delete that recording and redo it.
Here is our finished product. Right here is where their picture would be. We just didn't add one for this example.
My first day of school. On my first day of school, I was scared. But then I made many new friends, and I wasn't scared anymore.
We hope that the information we provided you with will allow you to incorporate a fun and interactive tool into your classroom. Thanks for watching.